Python logging. How do I disable a package's logging? I am being driven mad by this issue. I want to just log using my basic config, but the module, uvicorn, is also logging to the file as well. Example. I don't want the second message to appear because it is a duplicate. How do I disable that? Update. Code used. Log after setting access log equals false. I hit the API a few times. Log when access underscore log equals true.
Logging.basicconfig adds a handler. Then you go and add another. Both directed to the same file. So to see how to fix this, it is best to look at what logging.basicconfig actually does. Inlining basicconfig results in Can you see the issue? The same file is set up with a handler twice, so to fix this, write it as
It won't or cannot be a certain